Now, in today's episode, we're out front, so if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. This is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, I'm out front of my home, and today I'm going to clean and decorate for summer and a little dash of 4th of July. Yes, I know I'm late, but I wanted to get it done because soon we'll be decorating for fall. So I wanted to at least get this done because the 4th is coming and people will be visiting for barbecues. So I'm going to stop talking and jump into cleaning and getting this front porch ready for summer. Now I've already taken down the flag that was here for spring, and I've taken the door wreath in. So I'm going to get the rest of the stuff moved around so I can clean this porch. Now I'm going to let it dry and I'll be back out. Okay, first I'm going to bring everything out that I'm going to be using to put on the porch, and then we can start decorating. Okay, first I have a mat, a carpet filler. I purchased off Amazon for the front door. Then I have, of course, the flag with the W on it, just like it. Well, next I have the 4th of July Uncle Sam I picked up at the Dollar Tree last year. Then I have my 2 lanterns that sit outside. I've decorated the big one and the small one for my colors for this year. Now, might I add, nothing that I'm using was purchased. Everything was out of my stash. And then I have this grapevine door wreath. Now, the grapevine door wreath itself was one of my mother's, and I added some of the greenery I had, ribbon, and the W. So let me start decorating. Now I have a video, I'll link it up above, of how I made my pot people. I see I need to do a touch up on her paint. She's fading a bit, but the teal still looks good. And that was a simple DIY. I just wrapped some ivy vines around the corner of the wreath. I added the W that I've always had and a yellow polka dotted ribbon to go with the yellow that I'm doing in the house this year. And over here in this corner, I added my 4th of July Uncle Sam and the 2 lanterns. Inside I have some yellow lilies to go along with the yellow theme, and on top we have the yellow polka dotted ribbon. That ribbon was purchased off of Etsy. Now the doormat. Now that filler, I like those because I can interchange those. So every season I have a different one. All I do is pick up that little insert and change it with another one for that season. I got those off of Amazon and I really like those. Now again, let's back up and show you the porch. And how it's looking so far for the summer. I do it simple and to the point. where not a whole lot. The times I do a lot of decorating for the porch is in Christmas time. I love decorating for Christmas. So let me know what you think of my front porch decoration for the summer down below in the descriptions. You know I love reading your comments. And I'll see you in the next episode.